Hey guys, so here we go. We've got engine installed. There's a few little bits and pieces around here missing still, and yeah, I know I've got no cooling system in. There's a piece missing, there's a piece missing, on and on. It's okay, okay? We need to at least get the car on the ground because there's a Mini coming, and yeah, it's eaten up stuff and on. But yeah, we're just trying to figure out how we get the car back on the ground so we can at least move it around a bit, because yeah, as I've said, we've got a Mini to repair, eaten up by rust, the whole subframe. That's tight. I'm going to figure out how to get this in there and get the trailing arm, or no, not trailing arm. What was it? Steering stuff back in. I don't know. You know what I mean. At least good for something. I'll go grab a hammer. Okay, I can find a hammer, so we're putting the front light back in here and try to figure out a bit of the wiring harness, because I don't want it dangling around here. Got the headlight. Okay, maybe I can just dangle it off here. Found two screws that could fit, at least for now, are fitting enough. Jokes aside, headlights in. I'm just fiddling in the screws down here. Get the ratchet, and I'll just quickly thread them in a couple of threads, so at least the wiring harness is out of harm's way when we're trying to move this around. Not that it matters anyway, but I mean, I've cleaned up relatively good in here. Sway bars still laying around. That's not the problem for today. It's for another day. But yeah, I'm still in search of my hammer. I mean, yeah, I don't know what to say, but I'm still in search for my hammer. We'll just quickly grab that. There's a nut on it, and grab the other tools and move over to the other side. Hope you can see as well as I do. I mean, this and that. quick break from suspension, at least outside of the car. I've put in the steering shaft. Just quickly let me put my block of wood in here. Oh, now you're holding? Okay. I get it. Car doesn't like me. Now I've just quickly put in the intermediate shaft for the steering. And now it's a matter of hoping I've got the wrenches set to the right direction. Of course, always one that's off. Okay, now we're right. Okay, it's tiring. Hey, don't go missing. So that's that. On my hammer, it wasn't here the whole time, so great. Now that we got that out of the way, quickly pull out my block of wood and back to hammering, or at least to trying to make things right, better, wrong, whatever. Trying to do something over here. So, yeah, had a little accident. Now the lens says no, but we're going to pull through anyway, so yeah. Hope you don't mind. Hey, starting to get there. Here. Oh yeah. Other knot. So you fit it from me. Now that's pretty much a complete. We're going to move to the other side, and yeah, I'll just, as of now, will leave you hanging like this, or do I put the brakes and stuff on? I mean, yeah, I could actually. There's so much stuff to do, I don't know where to start. First, steering arm. Ah, not down. Okay, jokes aside. Pliers. Something like this. Brake disc should be next. Only the finest of qualities around here. Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. We're going to move the Opel, the trailer and the Audi, just kind of change places around. I want to move the trailer right here, small one, move it in between here somewhere behind the barn maybe. There's also a little bit of a parking space. Opel can live right here. I mean, I'm in the process of driving it at least half a meter back, so I can probably turn the Audi around in back in here somewhere. I don't know, but I need to move this back there, this down here, and this, yeah, kind of is in the way right now. So I've got keys. Let's hop in and pray that everything works. I mean, I don't want this falling off here, so kind of the best I've got right now. Oh yeah, it starts. Oh, oh. Oh, brakes don't feel good. Oh, where's... Go backwards. I guess it's officially an off-road car now. We're off the ground. I'll for now park it here, and yeah, someday put a steering rack in this turd so I can sell it, because I need space in here. So trailer just kind of rolls around all willy-nilly like. I'm going to put you over here, and yeah, you can just sort of put me back in my place. Back to the Audi. This piece of fine equipment still a work in progress, but getting there. I mean, transmission's in, still feels a bit rough around the edges, but it finds its place somewhat, somehow. Okay, yeah, no, reverse. So yeah, let's get it back there. You guys, I don't know, stand over here, watch me as I successfully do something. I don't know. It's getting interesting. Okay. Huh. Heavy piece of shit. I'll quickly pull out the stones and stuff under the trailer, and I'll just quickly sort of push it over there, and you're coming with me, because trailer wants to go do adventures, and I don't want a trailer to go adventures without a car in front. So yeah, that's that. You'll be the camera guy filming everything, so if I hit something, you can say we've got it on camera. No one can do us anything. So yeah. Whoop. Why didn't you say something? Hit a few rocks over there. But okay. Trailer's getting at least somewhere. Okay, I'll just park it right here because it's on level ground. I'll throw in some rocks. Just look at what a mess the Audi made. Ooh, what's that? That kind of looks like rust. Where did you lose it? Talk to me.